All right, today we're gonna bring a director set, and this is perfect environment to bring this item out there. Not only for this kind of environment, but outdoors or indoors. So we're gonna take a look at it and see what you get when you get something like this. All right, on the director set, they give you the manual, of course, a warranty information, a charging station, which is a type A to type micro USB, all right? And then the remote control, of course. The remote control is very important because this is gonna control all the objects that we have in here, which is only one object really. It's only the motor that handles the rotation, and also the rail system, and also the wheel system. So we're gonna go ahead and set it up and see what you guys think about the modes, right? So let's go ahead and do that. This is the wheel rotation part. It's very simple. It just attaches to the system here. You double lock it, and that's the actual wheel. We're gonna set that up in a bit so you guys can see it. This could go into two different modes, left or right, all right? And there's buttons in here in case you don't have the control. Power buttons on, micro USB, light for charging station is here. And then this thing also detaches it, so we can put the rail system. And the rail system is very unique because this one actually drives the whole system left or right depending on your action mode too. And the rail system goes right underneath of it, and it grips on really good. All right, so we're gonna set that up right now. All right, we're gonna try one right now, and this is to actually, you have to make sure you go in here in the indentation right here. And it's a little tricky sometimes, all right? So make sure it all fits in, all right? So don't force it in, or you're gonna break the actual and this is very brittle, it's very fragile, so you just make sure you don't do that. So grab onto the clip, right? And you're gonna see how hard it is sometimes. It's a little tricky, but I don't want to mess it up either. So there it goes. It's in there, and it took me a couple of tries, but you guys can see it's not very simple to do that. All right, once it's fixed, we can set up our actual camera mount in here and so forth. Now once we have that, the rail system either up and down, you guys can see that. So the rail system is going to be working this way, all right? So see how it goes? The rail system goes in there, feed it, and that's how it's going to start working, all right? So we got one set. We'll put the other one in here. Film a little bit on the water part, and this is what you can do with it. All right, so I'm gonna push the button. Look at the slow motion on it. I want to do anything like that. It's pretty cool. All right, we can always change the speed here. Right now I have it 9. I'm gonna hit record, and as soon as I hit record, I'm gonna hit the button where I want it to go, so you guys can see. I'm trying to record here. All right, we're gonna hit 4 because it was too fast, and then we're gonna hit negative again, and let it go. It's going. A little heavy for it, but it's moving. Ready, go.